Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes.
Today we are going to start exercise 9.2 question number 1. Find the sum. Part 1 5 by 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. After reading this question we can easily observe the denominators of these two fractions are same. So by adding their numerators we can get the final result or answer or their sum. So first we can write it is equal to 5 plus minus 11 upon 4. Shows that 5 minus 11 upon 4, because before any bracket if plus sign is there then the internal sign will unchanged. So it is minus 6 upon 4. It is 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So this is equal to minus 3 upon 2. This is our answer of first part. Now the second part, 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. In this case the denominators are different, so first we are going to take the LCM of the denominators to make them equal. And one more thing is there, 3 and 5 both are the prime numbers. So for LCM of these two prime numbers we get the product of these two numbers, because the product of these two numbers is their LCM. So first we can write here LCM, it is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, and the first fraction is 5 upon 3, and we need 15 in the denominator, so we multiply 3 by 5, and the numerator 5 is also multiplied with the 5, because we always multiply the numerator and denominator with the denominator both with the same number. So it is 5 5s are 25. Now the next number is what? That is 3 upon 5, and again we need 15. So 5 3s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Now it shows that is the first number 25 upon 15 and it is the second number 9 upon 15. Now we are going to add 25 upon 15 plus 9 upon 15. This is equal to 25 plus 9 upon 15, because the 15 is the denominator and it is same, so we take the denominators as a common and we do the addition of the numerators for deriving the proper answer. Now 25 plus 9 gives us the 34 upon 15. It is equal to 15 2s are 30 and 4 is remainder and upon 15. This is 2 4 by 15 is our answer for the second part. Now the third part, minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15, in which the 10 and 15, these two denominators are there and both are different. So first we make the denominators same by taking their LCM. LCM of 10 and 15. So it is 10, it is 15 divided by, it is 2 5s are 10. 15 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Then we divide by 3. It is 3 5s are 15. Now the 5. So it is 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So the LCM is what? That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So it is 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now the first fraction is minus 9 upon 10. We need 30 in the denominators, so we multiply 10 by 3 and the numerator 9 by the same number 3. So 9 3s are 27. Minus 27 upon 30 is the new number. And the second number is 22 upon 15. Again we need the 30 in the denominators, so we multiply 15 by 2 and the numerator 22 is also multiplied by 2, so it is 44. So now it is minus 27 upon 30 plus 44 upon 30. 30 we take as a common because it is a common denominator. Then it shows minus plus minus, so we subtract 27 from the 44, so it is 7 and it is 1 upon 30, 17 upon 30. And minus plus minus, but the sign of greater number, the greater number is what? That is 44, and the sign of 44, that is plus, so it is plus 17 upon 30. This is our required answer for the part third. Now the question number second, find part 1 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Here we can write 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. LCM of 24 and 36. So it is 24 comma 36. Now we divide this by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now the next is 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Then it is 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is. Then it is 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is what? That is 2 2 2. 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, 3 and 3. Here we can write 1 2 and 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. 72 the 2 is the LCM of 24 and 36. Now the given fractions are, that is 7 upon 24, and now we need 72 in denominator, so we multiply 24 by 3 and the numerator 7 is also multiplied by 3 because we always multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 7 3s are 21, and the second fraction is 17 upon 36. Here we need the 72 in the denominator, so we multiply 36 by 2 and 17 is also multiplied by 2. 17 2s are 34. Now the new numbers are 21 upon 72 and 34 upon 72. Now we do the subtraction. So we can write here 21 minus 2. Here we can write 72. It is equal to 21 minus 34 upon 72. Now it is 21 minus 34 upon 72 is equal to plus minus minus, so we subtract 21 from the 34. 4 minus 1 it is 3 and 3 minus 2 it is 1, so it is 13 upon 72. And plus minus minus and the sign of a greater number. The greater number is what? That is 34, and the sign of 34 is minus, so it is minus 13 upon 72. This is the answer of our first part of question number second. Now the second part of question second, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. These are the two fractions, and we are going to do the subtraction between these two fractions. Again, in both the fractions the denominators are different, and for subtracting them it is the essential condition to make the denominators equal, and for making the denominators equal we are going to take the LCM of the denominators 63 and 21. So first we write now the LCM of 63 and 21 is 63 comma 21, so it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Then it is divisible by 3 again, 3 7s are 21, and it is 7 once again. Now the 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. It is 3 into 3 into 7. So it is equal to 7 3s are 21 and 21 3s are 63. We need 63 as a denominator, so we multiply this by 1 only, so it is 5 upon 63. And the next number is minus 6 upon 21, and again we want 63 in the denominator, so we multiply this by 3. So the new numbers are 5 upon 63 and minus 18 upon 63. Now we can write like this. It is 5 upon 63 minus 18 upon 63. So now it is 5 plus 18 upon 63. This is equal to 23 upon 63. This is our required answer for the part second of question number second. Now the question third, find the product. First part 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. So here we can write it is equal to 9 multiplied by minus 7 upon 2 multiplied by 4. This is minus 9 7 ja 63 upon 4 2 ja 8. Now the second part 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9. In this case we can write it is equal to 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9 upon 1. So it shows 3 multiplied by minus 9 upon 10 multiplied by 1. This is equal to 9 3s are 27 minus 27 upon 10 1s are 10. Now the third part, minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. We are going to calculate the product of these two fractions. So first we write minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. This is equal to minus 6 multiplied by 9 upon 5 multiplied by 11. It shows that 9 6 are 54, it is minus 54, and it is 11 5 are 55. So this is our answer of part third of question third. Now the question 4, find the value of part 1 minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. So first we write it is minus 4 multiplied, it is minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. It can be like this, it is minus 4 multiplied by 3 upon 2. It shows that it is minus 4 multiplied by 3 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 3. It is equal to minus 6. Now the second part, minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. So now we write it is minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2, or we can write like this, it is minus 3 upon 2, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So it shows that minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5 multiplied by 2. This is equal to minus 3 upon 10. This is our answer.